Concept series videos of big data analytics, let's study concept number 13. What is HDFS architecture or Hadoop distributed file system architecture? Hadoop distributed file system consists of an architecture which is symbolized over here. You can see we have a name node, a data node, there's some replications, blocks, metadata operations, and this is the structure of the metadata, and there are few clients which are attached and the racks. Now let's see how this architecture can be explained. The name node over here works as a cluster. It consists of a single name node and it is the arbitrator and the repository for the HDFS metadata. So you can see over here is a metadata attached to my name node. Name node is a master server that manages all the file systems and the namespace and regulates the access to the file by client, and there are many data nodes attached to it. So you can see over here the data nodes which are attached to the name node. Now namespace and the blocks are stored in the data node, and mapping of blocks are also done on the data nodes. So what you can see over here is the block operation which is happening on the data node, and you can see these blocks in the data node. Name node has operations such as opening, closing, and renaming of files and directories. Whereas the data node over here has, if you will see, there's an operation called read for the from the client and write from the client. So data node has the operations read and write required from the client. Data node also works with block creation, block deletion, and replication, but it only happens whenever there is a signal or an instruction or a message or an operation that is passed from the name node. So in this HDF architecture, name node is the heart and it controls the complete operations of the data node, the client, the blocks, and the replications of data nodes that happen.